I welcome you all to my YouTube channel EngLink. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I'll be sharing some MCQs based on the poem I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. Because it's high time, so students, I have provided you the questions along with the answers. So after seeing the options, try to think about the best possible answer, then there only you will get the answer. So please practice it and see you at the end of the video. I hope this video has helped you a lot, and if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel EngLink, and do share it among your friends so that they are also going to practice and they will also get benefited by this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Take care.